Power of technicals yet again beautifully. Oil hitting 70.6, prices have reversed. I have mentioned very clearly several times in my last couple of updates that why 70.6, 70.8 should act as a critical barrier for oil here. Hitting the zone, we have seen oil prices reversing, and now it has come towards its next stronger support zone at 68.8, and that is also pretty strong support. We have discussed this thing several times. Now, interestingly, this was natural gas. Now, this is the beauty I have been telling since long. 3.4 is there, and then I will be looking forward to 3.6, 3.8, and $4 levels very, very soon. Natural gas delivered a massive bullish move and has hit 3.4. I hope you all profited yesterday. Now, what to expect today from oil and gas? Can we expect oil to fall more? Can we expect natural gas to rally again? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading oil and gas? We're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that as well. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into oil, followed with gas. What's happening on the hourly charts here for oil? See 70.6, providing it a resistance. Prices have come towards the lower end here, and now we know that 68.8 is a very, very good support. It is precisely hitting the same zone here at 68.8, 68.7. So can we expect these levels to act as a support? Now see, if you look at the formation here, it is delivering lower highs, lower lows, trading. The bearishness definitely has got diminished. Now again, it is very, very important for oil to trade beyond 69.4, 69.6 zone. Those who watch me regularly must know that this is the greater resistance zone. These levels are one of my favorites, rather 69.3, 69.6. So now if you see it is staying above 69.3, initiate a buying entry here and expect it to move towards 69.6. Beyond 69.6 is again where the bulls will be seen. Moving averages have crossed over here. These are trading with divergence, staying bearish. Stochastic is oversold. MACD again trading bearish here, hitting the lows, and the RSI is almost at bottom here on the early charts. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, very important to note here is see increasing bearishness here. Now this is the zone it needs to break, and that is why also I say 69.3 should be a good resistance, and then 69.6. If these two levels are taken, you can say now oil is set for a recovery. And if you look at the levels here, 68.8, this is the first attempt, second attempt, and this is the third attempt. Now once it comes out of this zone, that is 68.8, 68.7, I will wait for 68.4, and if 68.4 is taken today, you can just stay short for 68, 67.8. The crossover here in the moving average is a bearish sign here. So far, till here it was fine. It was trading in the greener side, but now these have crossed over, and now it is going to be difficult for oil to break beyond 69.6 today. If that is taken, certainly more bullishness above 70, 70.2 is where the bulls will take over completely. Stochastic oversold. MACD trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI has dropped here. On the 3, the observation is more or less same here. We can see a bit of reluctance here from oil on the downside, and 68.8 indeed is a very good support here. Be watchful of this trading below. This is where slight bearishness should. Also on the upside, see again on the 3 hour charts, the crossover is very, very important, and this makes 69.6 is a greater resistance. Stochastic oversold. MACD trading divergent and bearish, looking downwards. RSI almost staying flat. Coming to 4, the observation on the 4 hour charts is also more or less same here. I'm just looking at the support here breaking below. This is where the bears are waiting just, and see here the moving averages have started to converge, not yet crossed over. I will show you on the daily charts what it is forming. On the 4 hour chart, see this is a sideways box in which it is trading. After this good rise, it is staying sideways. It needs to trade above 60, 71 levels in the near term, because see I have shared several times beyond 71, 71.5, and then 72.5 you can just stay bullish. We are looking forward to 75, 76. I'll still stick to that, but right now the stance is not very much supportive of such a stronger rise. It needs to break beyond the critical resistances first. Stochastic is oversold here as well. The MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness. The RSI has dropped. Coming to the now see here on the daily charts, look at the formation here. Such a strong wall is now created here at 70.6, 70.8, or rather 71 zone. This wall oil needs to break. Only and only if this wall is taken, you can say now prices have reversed. Second thing is the support it is getting from 68.8. This is also pretty strong, and today could be the day when it can breach this support zone, because see 4 to 5 bearish candle, and if it breaks out today it is going to deliver another bearish move. Now what it is looking at, if you look at the formation, look at the support here, and see this is slightly now tapered here on the downside. And previously what did we discuss, that look at the lower highs and the flat bottom, this is a squeeze. Now another way to look at it is here, a flat bottom and this is squeeze here. So these lower highs are definitely important, and now it is looking downwards again, which is not a good sign for the bulls, because see on the downside it may again try to strike back at 66, 67. So for the day it is going to be definitely crucial how I'll be. And if you look at the stochastic, this is looking down, the MACD is in green trying to cross over for sale, the RSI is dropped as well. So now considering this, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, first thing is where you should buy. I will recommend you to buy at 69.2, 69.3 levels. Expect 69.5, 69.6 as the first, and then 70. If 70.2 is taken, we can see again round of bullishness, and then I'll wait for 70.6, 70.8 zone to be taken, which will confirm the reversal here. Right now, the stance is not very much supportive of such an aggressive rise. And if it breaks beyond 71, we know that 71.5, 72.5, 75 are the targets in the near future. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 68.7 levels here. Expect 67.8.4 as the first target. And if 68.4 is taken, then 68, 67.8 should appear. This is going to be a very strong support, 68, 67.8. And if that is taken, then ideally I'll be looking forward to 67.6, 67.3 and 66.8 levels again. Very, very crucial support exists at that zone as well. We have seen in the recent past. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's move to natural gas. Now, beauty of analysis here, I have mentioned rise, retracement towards 20 period. I have mentioned the prices are taking support from the 20 period. What has happened? Natural gas has shown a greater rise here. It has come towards the next target zone at 3.4. Now, 3.4 is indeed a very, very good resistance here. 3.4, 3.42, because beyond this, I'll be looking forward to 3.64 levels again, and then in fact 3.8 should be there very, very soon, if not today. Look at the formation on the hourly charts. Rise, retracement, higher lows. Now only below 3.35 I will recommend you to sell, and then also 3.3, 3.32 levels should come to the rescue here. Stochastic trying to cool down, MACD is in green trying to converge, and see it is not that it cannot rise further. There is lot much of room available on the upside for natural gas. And when you see the RSI, this is staying overbought. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, similar is the observation, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, and now again a rise. So this time it may try to deliver higher highs. This time it may try to move towards 3.55, 3.6 zone as well. And today is going to be one such critical day where it can show you the move. The moving average is crossing over here and looking upwards certainly is a strongly bullish sign here for natural gas. Stochastic though is overbought, the MACD is still rising, looking upwards. The RSI is overbought as well, but this is natural gas. Now see what would happen, it can either trade sideways for the day, and when the next week it may give you a strong gap up opening again, where directly it may lend towards 3.6. Be mindful of this. Moving average is crossing over here, looking upwards. Nice megaphone pattern is formed, and stronger the increasing bullishness here. Now it is trying to consolidate. So another round of rise beyond 3.442 levels you can expect, where we can look forward to what we are looking at. If it breaks beyond 3.442, you can expect 3.455 and then 3.5152 levels. If 3.5152 is taken, ideally you can expect 3.6 as well very, very, very soon. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish looking upwards, RSI is overbought as well. Coming to 4 hour, similar observation on the 4 hour charts. See here, and once you see this moving here on the upside, we can look forward to a greater rise. So first is 3.442 and then towards 3.4546. Is this zone is taken, 3.55152 is there at the next, and then 3.6 should be there. Moving averages are looking upwards, staying bullish. The stochastic overbought, the MACD divergent and bullish, the RSI overbought here. Coming to look at the daily charts here. See what a massive candle here, right from the 3.2 to 3.4 levels. Very good stance here. Now this has come down to the next milestone. See, if you connect this here, if you connect the highs and the lows, you will find this is precisely now at the top here. And today it could give a breakout, and thus 3.4, 3.42 levels you should watch out for, and then 3.555. If these two levels are taken, I think we are looking forward to a greater move today, where in fact we can see 3.5152 and 3.6 levels here. Now remember, the median here for natural gas is at 3.2, only below which you should treat this as bearish. Stochastic rising, MACD is crossing over here for the buys, good sign for the bulls. RSI rising. So now on the downside, selling entry I will only recommend is at 3.35 levels. If you see it is staying below 3.3534 levels, expect that the next targets are towards 3.3 and then 3.2625. If 3.2625 is taken, then 3.2 should appear, and that is the strongest support. For only below 3.2, the bears will be taking over, else it is still not to be treated bearish here. Chances are less that it is going to crash such strongly. There is a possibility of a retracement, but not a complete reversal. Take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day.